Yes, this is Rosal. Brothers and sisters, we heard the footstep of horses coming with the Lord Jesus and his angels.
From Angel's Message Inc. Rosal Rabi, Exodus 27, pangatlong utos. Huwag mong babanggitin ang pangalan ng Panginoong mong Diyos sa walang kabuluhan, sapagkat hindi aariin ng Panginoon walang sala ang bumanggit ng kanyang pangalan sa walang kabuluhan. Thou shalt not take the name of the Lord thy God in vain, for the Lord will not hold him guiltless that takes his name in vain.